First thing first, you want to find you a tapestry or a print that you love, and you go from there. Here I am displaying it. La 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 la. Here we go. Let's begin. Next thing I did was I found a video that was easy. And this girl right here, she really did a great job explaining it and breaking it down and made it easy for me. Next, you want to find some pants that you like the fit to. And you're going to cut it out and give it extra space in between to give you some wiggle room. Next, you want to do the other side. The same thing. You flip that side on the opposite, put it together, and then you cut the same thing because these sides are the front. And here I am showing the fringes. I paid $6.99 for these at Goodwill. And here's the cutout of both front sides. Next, you're going to take it and do the same thing. Fold it in, do it to the back. Do it on both sides. Next thing I did was cut the pants. They were too long. So I cut them where I needed them and put the fringes back on the bottom, sewed them. Here it is, both front sides. Then I did the same thing to the back. Now we're going to sew the fronts together at the seam. So you're going to sew the two pieces together and stop at the point. Next, I sewed pockets on the back sides of mine before I connected the back. So here the denim pockets are. Then you're going to sew the sides of the pants together. So you tuck in the fringes. So if you want to keep your fringes on the side, you fold it in. Then you sew it down. You could also pin it to help you. Then you're going to sew the inside of the pants too. You line the pants up and you sew the inside as well. Here is the finished pants. How do you guys like them? I love them. I love the pockets. I love the way it looks. Here I am trying them on. I had to put a drawstring or elastic on the inside. Here I am modeling them. I really like the way they fit. They look cute, and the fabric art is really flattering. It makes you look curvy. So if you like this video, thumbs it up, like and subscribe, and I'll continue making fun pieces. I was vibing out. Later.